Tired of random accounts flooding your For You page and diluting your TikTok experience? Today, I'm going to show you how to quickly and easily remove followers on TikTok, putting you back in control of your audience. First, let's head over to your profile by tapping the profile icon located in the bottom right corner of your screen. Great, now, tap on your followers count, which is prominently displayed near the top of your profile. This opens a list of everyone who follows you. Scroll through your followers list and find the account you want to remove. Once you've located them, tap the three dots next to their username. A menu will pop up from the bottom of the screen. Simply tap on the Remove This Follower option. TikTok will then ask you to confirm your decision. This is just to make sure you don't accidentally remove someone. Tap Confirm to finalize. And that's it, the follower is now removed, and they will no longer see your public videos. Repeat these steps for any other followers you want to remove, and you'll be well on your way to a more curated TikTok experience. Removing unwanted followers helps create a more engaged community and improves your overall TikTok experience. So, get started today and take control of your audience. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more TikTok tips. #TikTok tips, #social media management.